Hello everyone. Welcome to Python programming. My name is Norbert Seho. I'm from Tanzania, and I'm going to teach you Python programming. So, yeah, you are all welcome. I don't know why you want to learn programming, but I just believe it's because you want to do something with your life. It's either you are embarking on a new career, or maybe you are programming for fun, or maybe there is a project that you want to do and that programming is just one part of it. So you are all welcome. So in this course we're going to cover not everything. We'll cover the basics to get you started and give you a good foundation so that you can just proceed on your own in the future. So why Python programming? So if you check among the popular programming languages, where is my keyboard? Okay, popular programming languages, you can see that recently Python is among the best programming languages. It's famous. It's famous because it's easy to use, it's easy to learn, and it's just used in many places. It's used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, software development. So if you are going into one of those things, then yes, this is a right course for you. So first things first, we need to install Python. Python. Yeah, just Google Python, then welcome. Go to downloads page. In some machines, Python comes pre-installed. Uh, in Linux, basically Ubuntu, Linux Mint. I'm using Linux Mint, so don't start wondering what sort of OS is this guy using. This is Linux Mint 2022 21, I guess. And for Windows you will need to download it. So like for Windows, here is the link. Just go there and check a stable version. There is a latest version, but there is this stable release. Just go for stable releases. There is this one. Okay, this is actually it's a stable version, so just go with this one. If you are using Mac, just check here. For Linux, just check here. But before you even bother to do all of that, just check if Python is installed in your PC. So go to your command line, cmd for Windows people, terminal for Linux people, then write Python. Let's say Python version or Python 3 version. So there are actually two major versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. For this course, we'll be using Python 3. So if you have something like this, it means Python 3 has been installed. If we had another thing here, maybe Python 2, yes, then you know that Python, which version has been installed. Now I want us to have at least Python version 3, any version under 3, it's okay. So after you follow installation process and it's done, come back and run Python 3 version and see if you get something like this. If not, try to go to YouTube. You have a lot of resources, by the way. I'm not going to give you all the details. So the idea is that as a programmer, you will come across many issues. You'll get stuck. So YouTube, come to YouTube. There are people doing tutorials for almost everything. Install Python, maybe Windows 11. We have videos here. You see all these great videos, or maybe for Mac. You'll always have instructions here. So come to YouTube or just Google install Python Windows 11. I'm quite sure there is an article somewhere that tells you how to do that. You need this skill. You need to be able to Google, YouTubing. There is a lot of great content on the internet, or you can actually try ChatGPT, an AI era. Why don't you try these technologies? So just come here. How do I install Python in Windows 11? And you get some instructions. Okay, that being said, after installation, just come and verify. And the next thing that we need here, we need Visual Studio Code. Studio Code, this is a code editor, so you can use it to write codes in different programming languages. Yeah, it's easy to use. Just come to the downloads page, then check a version for your specific machine. If it's Windows, if it's a Linux machine or Mac, just get your particular version and install it. After that, for me, I've already installed this one, so let me close this folder and actually close the editor itself. So you'll come to your search button here, then search Studio Code. You will have Studio Code right away, and it opens like this. Yeah, so we have file, we have edit menu, selection, view, go, run. There's a lot of things here. This one is a file explorer where you can see which files are we working on right now, which folder have we opened. Here you can use to search for items in your document or in the entire folder. This is for source control if you're working with Git. This one is for debugging the code, and here is for extensions. Actually, the way Studio Code has been built is that you can have many extensions, and extension does a particular activity. Maybe an extension for Python where it checks for bugs, something like syntax issues in your code. So just go to the extension and search this Python extension. It is by Microsoft. You need this one. For me, it's already installed. Then you're just going to install it and wait until it's done. Then come to the file menu, open a folder. In the desktop, I have this folder called Python Programming, and within it we have another folder called Introduction. Then let me delete this one first. Teach you how to open a file. So expand the correct folder, expand Introduction again, then this plus sign for a file, then call it one introduction.py. Every Python file needs a .py extension, so that the machine knows it's dealing with Python file. So this is it for introduction. We'll pick up from here in the next video. See you guys.